In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Asmara Javed Learning Channel. Let's do an activity. How can you expand your sentences? We are working on writing skill, and for this activity we just need a page, a simple page, and we have to fold this page in this way. After folding the page, we need to write a simple sentence. I have written, Sana is watching. But I have an option to expand it in this way. Sana and Saba is watching. I have added one more subject. Sana and Saba. But now I need to change the helping verb because is incorrect. So I have changed is into are. Sana and Saba are watching. What are they watching? I need to explain. So I will write Sana and Saba are watching a drama serial Ertugrul Ghazi. I have defined the name of drama serial. Now I can expand it again. Sana and Saba are watching a drama serial Ertugrul Ghazi in their bedroom. I can modify it by writing in their well-furnished bedroom. Sana and Saba are watching a drama serial Ertugrul Ghazi on PTV in their well-furnished bedroom. I have expanded it again by writing the name of TV channel. I can expand it again in their well-furnished bedroom and enjoying the history. Okay, I have used a connective and history of. I can expand it again. In this way, we can expand our simple sentences into complex sentences. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like the video and share it.